good. And where he was working? Oliver? In a workhouse. Very good, Harini. In a workhouse. And this Oliver is an orphan. Did he got punishment? Yes? No? Not yet. So we'll see what happened in the next paragraphs here. So I'll refresh. Oliver, we are talking about Oliver. He was an orphan boy and he doesn't have a family. Like you're all having family, father, mother. So he doesn't have a family and he is living in the children's home and he is working in the workhouse to earn his food. Not money here. What will he do if he gets money? He cannot go outside and eat, right? So he wants to earn his food in the children's house. Okay. So in the last session, the Oliver was crying. Did he? Why he was crying? He got scared. Yes, because of board members. He got frightened and he was very scared to see by seeing all the gentlemen in front of him. So he got frightened and he was crying because what punishment did he give? Okay. So now we'll see did he get the punishment or not. So we are in the 19th paragraph now. So we'll begin to pick Occam tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, added the surly one in the white waist coat. Oliver bowed low, directed by the busy, and was then hurried away to a large ward where on a rough, hard bed he sobbed himself to sleep. Okay? So they didn't punish him here. He cried, and by seeing him cry, what your mother will do if you cry in front of her? When she gets mad? Huh? Will she give you chocolate? No. You're all having a biggest weapon from this world. What is that? Crying, right? So if you cry in front of your mother or father, they will forget everything and okay, you go and carry your nails like that, right? So here Oliver also didn't get any punishment here. Okay? But he felt very bad. Why? Because he got to know on this day that he is an orphan. He don't have a father or mother like anybody else. So he went into his room where there are all the other children are also sleeping on the same room. Like in the hostel we'll see, right? 4 or 5 beds will be in the same room. So here also there is a big room. Okay? And in that room there is a bed for Oliver. And how it is? It's a rough one. Will you sleep on the rough bed? Do you know what is rough? No? A rough bed? As it is a children's home, he may felt it like he is sleeping on the stones. It was rough like that. Okay? And he sobbed himself to sleep. That means he was crying and he slept off. Okay? And after he was sleeping, he became unconscious and he don't know what is happening around him. Do you all also have the same feeling, right, when we are sleeping? If my mummy is coming to me and she is asking me to wake up, it's already 7 o'clock and you are not getting ready for the school. Huh? But you will say, oh no mummy, and you will turn to the other side and you will sleep. Right? So your mother has to rush away with you for all the things. She has to pack your food and everything. So here he got unconscious and he don't know what is happening around him. Whether some other children are in the room. Okay? 5 more minutes. Okay, ma'am. So I'll tell you in a brief without 8 minutes. So then what happened? He slept. Then the board members are here mentioned as philosophical men. What is philosophical? The So this Oliver his next woke up and he went to the dining room where there is a big tables and so many children are sitting together and having their lunch at that time. And what is the lunch provided by this children home? It's a gruel. Do you know what is gruel, children? No? It's a liquid form of food. It's a liquid form of food, like we all have oats, right? In the liquid form, soup, like soup, like that. So it is a gruel. It's very thin in the liquid form, and they cannot even know the taste of that. Can you feel the taste of that chicken soup or anything if it is very thick? No, right? So they are just starving and they are eating whatever they are feeding. Okay? So this also they will get every day only twice. How many times we are all having a food? Twice. But this little poor boy is having only twice. Twice means it is 2 times in a day. Okay? And they are having a special item for the special occasions or on the weekends, that is onion. For all of us, we are having chicken or biryani or something, right? When the weekend comes, but here it's having onion as a special item for the weekends. Okay, if they are providing onion, that means it's a special day for them because they don't even know what day it was, Friday, Sunday, or Monday. Okay, then one day what happened? All the friends of Oliver, they were all discussing, and one boy was very starving and he felt like his stomach is very upset and he wants some more food. So this boy is like telling to other friends, and Oliver is telling like, I am feeling very hungry and whoever is sleeping next to me, I'll eat them. How will you feel if somebody tells you like that? Frightened, right? Because they are all very starving and this boy is telling like this, they are all afraid of this boy and they felt like, oh my God, will he really eat me? So they were very frightened about this boy and they are afraid to talk to him already. But this boy had a plan. Like he kept a few ropes in his hand and asked everybody to pick a small part of it. Okay, whoever is getting the less part. Okay, all are in the same size, but one part is very less, half or something. So whoever is picking that part, they have to ask Mr. Bumble to give more food today, one more bowl today. Okay, so this happened. All his friends were talking and suddenly he pulled up all the ropes and he was sitting in front of the friends and asked everybody to pick one. Okay, like Harini pick one, Jeevita you pick one, like that. Okay, suddenly Oliver's turn came and he fell into this plot. He got the smallest one. So what happened? He got no chance. He cannot turn back because this boy is frightening me, right? He may eat me today if I won't warn us. So what happened? Oliver went to Mr. Bumble and asked, sir, please sir, I want some more. See how Oliver is asking. Do you see the person here? Oliver is picking up his bowl and he is asking the person, sir, please sir, I want some more, because they are feeling so much hungry, right? So like this it went on. Then Mr. Bumble got very angry. Then he begged him and took him to the board members. We all know who are the board members. So he took him to the board members. Then the board members silently watched him and they were shocked because nobody else was dared to ask for some more. Okay? But this little child is asking some more means it will get a problem for the board members. So the board members thought to What will you do in the place of Oliver if it is your chance to go to Mr. Bumble, girls? Children? Will you go and ask? No? No, right? We are already frightened and will sit there and only tell he wants to ask me. He only said and will pull that ball, right? But here it was nothing happened. So, who is Oliver again? Orphan. And where was he? Where was he? Children's home, and he is working in a workhouse. What he is asking for? Food, because he was starving. And who is judging this person's philosophical man or the board members? Who is Mr. Bumble? The caretaker, or the person who is giving them food every day with a big ladle. Okay? And they no need to wash their bowls because they are all licking after they are having their food. That much hungry they are. See, children, what do you think about these pictures? Child labor. Have you seen any of the persons like this? Any of a child on the road like this? See here, boys selling the flowers to feed his stomach. Okay, and here the children are working and they are carrying such a big load they cannot bear, but they are still carrying. Will you carry your own bag? When your mother comes, you will give your bag to her, right? Even you won't carry your lunch bag, right? Lunch bag. So we are all seeing so many people like this.
When will ring? 40 minutes means 40 minutes.
Okay.